That's what I'm curious about. All right, so we have another charging cable right here, or power adapter, if I may. This is the UGREEN 65 watt DigiNest Cube. I was gonna say power adapter, but I guess this is a power cube. Anyways, let's unbox this. So let me get my handy dandy cutter here. Okay, here we go. First off, this is 65 watts. What's interesting about this one, especially, I got it from Amazon, is that this UGREEN Cube has so many ports in here. So basically the rating at the back says 1875 watts maximum, 15 amperes, 125 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, USB-C, so it has USB-C 1 and 2, which is output of 5 volts. Right here, and then there's a USB A1 or A2, 5 volts as well. USB total output is 65 watt. Again, this is a 65 watt. I have some Anchor here. This is a bit smaller. This is the GaN Prime right here. This is 120, if I'm not mistaken. This is 120 watts. Now I have the 150 watt right here. So for me, this is a bit interesting, especially at 65 watts. How it compares and all that. So let's open this up. I like the packaging. Already feels heavy, and packaging is simple, but doesn't look cheap. Okay, I guess you take out the entire thing right here. Okay, what is this one first? There's a small pouch. I don't know what it is. I think these are like the branding and stuff. Oh, okay. It's just the adhesive tape right here, if you guys can see. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure if there's a thunderstorm outside, but it's raining heavily right now. But show must go on. Anyways, that's just the adhesive tape. Put it there. Okay, so this is the main event. So the packaging is pretty simple. Here's the packaging, and then here's the entire thing right here. There is a couple of papers right here. First is a quick user instruction right here. It says E1. So user instruction E1 right here, FCC statement, IC statement. There we go. Put it on the side. Nobody really reads that a lot. And this is the actual 65 watt DigiNest Cube 2C2A actual instruction manual right here. So number one right here, how it works. It's pretty much about on multilingual instructions. So it's a cube. Okay, before we go there, because my ADHD brain is all over the place right now. But I was kind of expecting it to be like this small, maybe a little smaller since it's 65 watts, but this is massive. So basically, yeah, it has 4 ports on the front, yada yada. Okay, you know what? Let's get to the main part right here. So here, I gotta be honest, I'm surprised it's this big. I mean, imagine, this is 150 watts, and look how small this is compared to this. Look at the size difference. But anyways, you can see, and this is the 120 watts right here. Look at the difference. I don't know if this is, the good thing about this one is it has so many ports. That's why I was so interested in trying to review this one. So in the front, if you can see UGREEN, there's 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports right here. And then again, these are both 5 volts on the front, and then there are 3-prong power adapter here on the sides. So these 3, what I'm wondering is how much power it's going to give. Is it like bypassing? It's like same as the wall socket when you plug it in? That's what I'm curious about, total power. But it does say total output or maximum output. Yeah, USB. Well, it's the USB that's total output of 65 watts. So I guess this one would be like similar to the wall socket. Let's see. Okay, it says right here, cautions not greater than 1875 watt. The total load connected appliances. I guess total for everything, if you connect everything, it's 1875. Do not go over 1875 watts. Who has that? Unless you're gonna put in, I guess, 2 ACs. Anyways, so here's the 150 watt Anchor GaN Prime charger. This is 150 watts, so it's pretty powerful, but it only has 4 ports. As you can see, this one has 4 ports on the front and 3 on the side. It also has, I almost forgot, it has a switch right here to switch it on and off, which is good. And what about this? So the good thing about this, it does feel premium, especially the cable. This is massive, you know, it's thick. Very interestingly, the wall outlet, I guess this 3-prong right here that you're going to connect to the wall is circular instead of those regular, I don't know, sometimes it's square, sometimes, you know what I'm saying. But this is more like an extension cable because this has the cable already, while these 2 anchors are more like for portability rather. Yeah, it's quite long as well. I don't know, maybe like 10 feet. What does the manual say how long the cable is? Also, the manual says there is a power indicator. I didn't notice it. So apparently somewhere here. So we're going to be connecting this in a moment. Yep. So this switch right here is for the overload protection. I'm pretty sure you can, if you turn this off, it will be off. Cable length here, it says 1.8 meters or 5.9 feet. Anyways, let's plug this in because I'm curious. So we can see if the power indicator shows up right there. Okay, let's see. Turn this on. So yes, it does show. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really faint. There is a very faint light right here on the side. You might be able to see a little bit right here. There you go. There's a power indicator. It's kind of like light green or something. Anyways, I have my MacBook right here and the regular MacBook, you know, the stock MacBook power adapter. This is 65 watts as well. So it's pretty much the same, I guess. But, oh, the good thing about this, it has rubber stopper, I guess, rubber feet, so it won't move. I can see this good for like an extension cable, but I think this might be a little better for portability wise and more power. You know, this is way bigger and this is 150. This is only 65. I don't know. I just want to plug this in. Okay, I have a USB-C cable over here. Let's plug in this. Okay, you guys can hear that. Again. There you go. So it's charging. Now another USB-C. Hopefully I have some USB-A around here that I can plug this in. So I want to see how much. Okay. iPhone is also connected. USB-A. Let's plug this in, but I don't know what we're gonna put. This is a USB-C still, so I can use that. So it charges, yep, pretty good. I like the fact that it has a lot of outlets and it has 3, I guess, regular, or TR. Why does it say TR again? Put a comment down below, what does TR mean? I don't know, my brain's not working right now. No, you know, what's funny here is that it's saying here on the front, the USB-C and, you know, the USB ports right here. There's smartphone, laptop, tablet, smart band, okay, watch, and the drones. Okay, I guess they have to put in the drones right there. As far as the size, it says computer, monitor, projector, lamp. So I guess it's kind of like a bypass, like an extension cable where it's not 65 watts, it's like the full-on load, I guess. It does say total wattage output is 1875, must not go up there. It has a surge protection. Is it surge protector? That's a good question. It says overload protection rather, and the master switch, yep, it's this one. And I'm pretty sure it will stop. Yep, it stops charging if I turn this off. Yeah, it's basically power. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's plug this in here. Oh, okay, you have to really push it hard. So this should charge. Yep, so pretty good. So again, there's a really good use case for this one. It's just that when I think of 65 watts, I'm already thinking about this one right here, the MacBook. This is slimmer than this. I guess it's because it has 3 prongs and all that. It's safe, but for when you're traveling and stuff, I think I would prefer this more. The disadvantages of these 2 anchors right here is they're all USB ports, right? So if you have appliances that, you know, you can't really connect, so you pick your poison. This one is a little bigger, and with this massive cable, it's a little inconvenient, or there's inconvenience right there putting this in your backpack, but you have 3 regular ports, you know, for appliances, which is good. But I would say this is more of a niche. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. And it was on sale when I bought this, at least, you know, on Prime Day. This is $65. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like $1 per watt. Anyways, this is going to be a short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. That's it for now, I guess. This is pretty good. It's not bad. It's not great. I guess for traveling, I like this better. But it's good as an extension cube, I guess. Anyways, I gotta stop talking. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.